very much. Looking good.
Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, Kurtos of Brooklyn and Sarasota. And we're here in beautiful downtown Sarasota on Main Street for a great visit to a Hungarian bakery called Kurdos. I've never been here before. They're widely known internationally for their chimney bread, which is a Hungarian specialty, which I've never had. I want to give a big shout out to a few things on this video. Our channel reached 1 million views this week, and so that's why I started it out with Freddie Prince. I was thinking about Freddie Prince. He was part Hungarian, part Puerto Rican. He always called himself a Hungarian, so I thought it'd be cool to start off the video with that. And to thank everybody out there for your channel support. I really appreciate it. All the money that we make on this channel goes for our foundation, the Waffles Foundation. We had lost our son Matt in 2019. He was a musician, and we donate all the channel money and other things too to give kids out there a chance to play music. So every time you watch one of our videos, you're supporting that. So deeply appreciate that. The Waffles Foundation Inc., if you want to look that up. So today, thanks again for the 1 million views. We're here at Kurtos. Hope you enjoy the video. And also a big shout out to my wife's and mine, a lady we've known for so long, Roxanne. She's Hungarian, and we're going to do this video for her. One of our best friends ever in life, one of the most wonderful people you'll ever meet, someone we've known for so long. And shout out to Roxanne because she watches the videos back there in Staten Island, New York. So here we go, Kurtos, downtown Main Street. So first off, if you visit Sarasota, this is certainly a place you're going to want to come to. This is downtown Sarasota. I see some, you have a trolley that rides around. I've done videos on that. There's a statue here. It celebrates VJ, Victory Over Japan Day. It's got the sailor kissing the nurse. If you're familiar with the Watchmen movie, it's kind of a funny takeoff of this particular statue. But anyway, you'll see a lot of commemorative stuff down here. But Main Street is the place where it has all the great restaurants. There's a lot of great restaurants everywhere in Sarasota, but this is certainly one of them. And Kurtos, which is right over here. I'll get closer to it, of course, but you can see it right off the main road there. So here we go. This is it. A look of it from the outside, 1312 Main Street. They do bread on a spindle. I mean, sounds amazing. And a friend of mine, Michael, who went to the International Butler School, told me about this. He's probably one of the most interesting people I know. And Butler School, this one's the most famous one in the world, and it's in the Netherlands. So he's the one who told me about that. So a big shout out to Michael as well. So here we go. So here it is, the world famous chimney bread. Oh my God. All different flavors. They even do hot dogs. I've never had it before. They got olives in there and cheese. They actually make it on that rack over there. It's like a big spindle. And you even have different kinds of ice cream and salads. Look at this. Wow.
Yes, this is bread cheese, bacon and cheese, olive with cheese, jalapeno with cheese, and pico.
Wow. And what is this one, the sample here?
Sweet bread with cinnamon sugar and...
Oh my God. Wow. Something I haven't had for a really long time. Like those twists you used to have when we were kids. Look at that. It's cinnamony, it's delicious. Amazing. So what is your name again?
Catherine.
Catherine? Nice to meet you, Catherine. So we got the bread right there. This is gonna be the Frenchie with a little twist with bacon on it instead. Look at that. I'm gonna do that, and then some fruit punch. They got some Ruffles potato chips in there. Look at that. Mayonnaise. So this chimney bread goes back like centuries, right? To Hungary, like as far back as they know, right? Wow. Lettuce on there. Wow. That looks good. It's Frenchy with an American twist.
Oh,
Yeah.
I don't want to.
And that's bright cheese going on it. Look at that. Wow. Incredible. They don't skimp on the portions, let me tell you that. And this is what going on there now? What is that? Some kind of like seasoning. Ooh. And you got jam. Wow. Amazing. It's a work of art. For here, please. Wow. So just a view on the inside. It's really beautiful in here. I came at a really quiet time. These are the rolling pins right here that they used to put the bread on. They put the bread on that, and that's how you get your circular thing. This is like a lot of, it's like a street food. And you'll see these apparently in Hungary. And there's like a picture of it there, like a street food picture. But absolutely beautiful place, really neat and clean. They do fruit punch and lemonade. I didn't realize they did, this looks like Budapest, I guess, on the wall. I didn't realize they did Coke. But they got Coke right in the front here with waters and different things. And just really, really nice. You got all different kinds of sandwiches, the Berber salads, smoked salmon. The main sandwiches though, American, Italian. I got the chimney, or rather the one I told you about over there, which was the Frenchie. I did Frenchie with a bacon twist on it. There it is. So let's give it a shot. Look at that, a nice presentation in there. Let's give this a try. This is really good as I do Budapest behind me. Amazing. I mean, just this really, really different kind of place. It's something so out of the ordinary. I've never heard of this in my entire life. You know, coming from New York, that's saying something. We've got every, you know, group from New York. I mean, I'm half Arabic. I mean, half Lebanese, half Irish. And, you know, we have everybody, you name it. Everybody settled in Brooklyn from Ellis Island. People coming through. But I've never heard of chimney bread. So, Roxanne, if you're watching, let me know if you've ever had chimney bread, because I've never even heard of this. And it's just amazing. It's kind of just, it's its own thing. It's kind of like a cross between a nice crispy bagel and like an Italian bread. There's no way to describe it. It's totally unique. And they do these with ice cream cones too, which I'll bring Carrie back and do that on a different day. Wow. All I could say is wow. That is the most different thing I've ever eaten in a long time. I love this trolley. Always got to put the trolley in there. I'm telling you, we go to a lot of places, and I always try to do positive videos. I mean, if I go to a place and I really don't like it, or they're rude in there or something, I just won't do the video. I'm not about that life of putting like a bad video up or knocking down someone's business. But let me tell you, this place is the real deal. If you want to have something, again, coming from, I still can't believe I've never heard of Hungarian bread, because I am like totally fixated on bread, on carbs. For me not to have heard of that, it's like almost unheard of, but I haven't. So if you want something really different, that's really good, that's probably the best bread I've had in Florida. I mean, I'm not even kidding. Whether it be Italian bread or Portuguese bread or white bread or bagels, this is literally the best bread I've had in Florida, and that's counting Disney or anything like that. Really, really good. And I'm gonna come back. I actually left my name with the lady inside. She's gonna talk to the owner. So next time I come back, I think I'll bring Carrie and we'll do the ice cream, try the ice cream, show you that. And maybe the owner will be here. She'll give us a little tour, but it was just incredible. And I highly recommend you coming down here. Just, you know, incredible. And then after you do that, you have all of Main Street to explore in Sarasota and Jack's Marina across the street. So you can't beat it. So thanks for joining me again on Kindred Souls of Brooklyn and Sarasota. Once again, I want to thank everyone for the 1 million views. Really appreciate it. And for the support of the Waffles Foundation. Couldn't do it without you. And thank you for helping us help those who are less fortunate, and for helping us to help tomorrow's musicians today. I'll see you in the next video. Love you all. See you real soon. Bye now.